Hello, my beautiful Nicolettes. Today I am sharing my top 3 favorite smoothies for weight loss. So these are delicious, yummy, but healthy smoothies that you can either have as a snack or for breakfast. If you guys like this, and if you make any of these, make sure you send me a picture over on my Instagram. I'd love to see your creations, but let's just jump into the smoothies. This first smoothie is a berry smoothie, and this targets the belly. All you're going to need to make this is 1 cup of frozen berries, 1 banana, 1 cup of almond milk, 2 tablespoons of old-fashioned oats, and 1 tablespoon of peanut butter or almond butter. Once you have all your ingredients, you're just going to throw that all into a blender, of course. This smoothie is super great because it's packed with protein, fiber, and it's really going to help crush your cravings and keep you satisfied for hours. Berries are super great because they're packed with antioxidants. The peanut butter is going to give you that healthy fats that you need and protein, and then the oats that we add are just going to make sure that you feel full for longer. So this smoothie is just full of nutrients and benefits that are really going to help aid weight loss, and it's also going to help prevent a mindless snacking. Berry smoothies are definitely my go-to. I tend to make them a lot because they're super yummy, but they're also really great for you. So when I was done blending it, I just poured it into a cup and you can enjoy it. It tastes super great, like I said, so I definitely recommend trying this one out. If you are a coffee lover like me, you will love this next smoothie, and this is just the Healthy Coffee Banana Smoothie. This is definitely one of my favorites because I am such a lover with coffee. To make this, all you're going to need is 1 chilled cup of brewed coffee, 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon of hemp seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 banana, and I forgot to show my 2 teaspoons of honey, or you can use agave. It depends on your personal preference. But then I just threw all the ingredients into my blender, and I also did add around 6 ice cubes to finish it off because I personally love when my smoothies are really cold as opposed to warm. And this is actually super great for you. This is going to give you that morning jolt that you want. Coffee is actually really great. It is said to help in weight loss because black coffee does boost your metabolism. It also burns the fat in your tummy. Since it is a fat burning beverage, the bananas of course are full of potassium, and hemp seeds are really great for you as well because they are a natural appetite suppressant. They're going to help you feel fuller for longer and also reduce those sugar cravings. Adding hemp seeds, a tablespoon, to any breakfast you have can also help curb excess hunger for the entire day. So a little FYI, hemp seeds are definitely amazing for you. This actually tastes so good. It kind of tastes like a cappuccino yogurt. It is literally so yummy. So if you love coffee, this is definitely your smoothie. Definitely try this one out. And this last smoothie I have for you is a strawberry and avocado smoothie. So of course what you're going to need is 1 avocado, 1 cup of strawberries. You can either put half a banana or a full banana in, and I put around 1 cup of water into it. All I did is I just put everything into the blender, and I also made sure to throw in some ice because I personally love when my smoothies are cold and not warm. Once I was done that, I just blended it all up. And this is another great smoothie for you, of course, because avocados are the main focus here, and they are extremely great because they are a healthy fat and they just have so many benefits for health. Avocados are said to also improve digestion because it's actually really high in fiber, and eating foods with natural fiber are going to help you with things such as constipation, and this is just going to maintain that you have a healthy digestive tract. It's also said to be a natural detoxification. Avocados are just really great to add into your diet, and of course strawberries are just an excellent source of vitamin C and K, and also has a bunch of other things such as magnesium and potassium. So this smoothie, once again, is extremely great if you're on your health journey. But those are all the smoothies I have for you. If you guys like this video, thumbs it up and let me know if you want a part 2 because I actually make a lot of smoothies and I have a lot more smoothie recipes. And once again, if you make any, make sure you send me a picture over on Instagram because I love when you guys make my creations. But I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!